Okay, I'm going to go over the startup procedures for the LV300 Pro slope mower. First thing we're going to do is turn the key on. You'll see it load with MDB, followed by the home screen. I want to make sure that this emergency stop button is in the out position. See, when you press it in, you twist it out, and you'll hear a click. Likewise on the remote control, we want to make sure that the stop button is on the out position. So if it's in, make sure you give it a twist. First thing we're going to do is on the right side of the remote control, there's a green button. We're going to press and release that. So push it in for a second or two and then release it and let go. You're going to get a flashing green and a flashing blue light, which means that the receiver and the remote are talking to each other. Go back to the same green button again. We're going to press and release it, at which time you'll hear the horn go off, followed by seeing a solid green and a solid blue light. That means that the machine is connected between the remote control and the receiver and that it's ready to start. Go to the left side of the remote control, there's two buttons. There's a start button and a stop button. We're going to press and hold the start button on the top left. You'll hear a click. Keep holding it in for about 4 or 5 seconds, at which time it will start. The way to turn the machine off is with the bottom left button. You can press and hold that, and that'll turn the machine off. At this point, you'll still have a solid green and a solid blue light, which means if you want to, you could restart it by once again pressing and holding the top left button. A couple second delay.